si Bianan talaga yung nag-start. Si Bianan yung nagluluto ng
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Good morning, everything. I come here over here to update my piece 4. Look who's on top of the tea bowl. Who's up here? Babag. Why you're over here? I have paperwork over here, guys. I have to cover that. I guess you're gonna be in there instead of me. Get out. Harbs! Huy! Okay, down now. Down. Get down. You are such a spoiled boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, ito siya, guys. Nag-update lang ako ng PS4. Hintayin ko lang. Ay, matagal pa to eh. Tignan nyo to. Oh. You're clingy? Okay, let's go downstairs. You have a lot of... Oh my God, Hubs. Oh, I don't... Okay, get down. Let's go down. Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. So, paliguan. Yung dalawang aso. Paliguan natin. Ito. Pero hindi mamaya na kung sila paliguan, guys. So, ngayon, tignan lang natin itong mga ano dito. Okay naman sila. Okay naman. Lumaki na yung talong. At saka may isang talong doon lumaki. So, yaon. And, yun, okay naman sila dito. Nabubuhay na pa naman sila pala dito. So, and, yung mga upuan doon sa porch, hindi pala siya, wala siyang mga upuan. So, hindi kami nakahanap sa ano, kahit saan. So, ang gagawin ko is, kunin ko yung cushion sa front and dalhin doon sa likuran. Itong cushion na to, dalhin ko lang doon. Okay. Ito lang dalawa. Hindi na yan. Kasi pangit. The mice is back early in the morning. Roxy's looking already.
Looking for a place to hide from the birds.
Why you have to take everything off all the time?
Just take the back cover off.
Watch out, will you jump in. You know the way they run. You jump, hop.
Go, Rox. You want to look for it? Go look.
Good luck, Rox. Is in there? Or you're imagining? I don't think so. Why is that wet?
Moisture from this sweat.
No, shit. Fuck.
Look how much stuff's come out already.
Oh my God, there's a lot.
Hairs.
Oh my God, maybe they're still there. Oh my God, you kill it, hon.
Oh, well, then you see blood come out. Hey, get your nose out of there.
Oh my
your
God.
nose cut off by that fan.
Rox, can you tell her to go away? She's not gonna electrocute himself here?
No.
I think they're still there because Roxy kind of like...
You still smell it.
No, you didn't.
It's still on there.
You didn't clean it good. Oh no, I love you. I love you. What's in there? You see something?
Ah!
Honey.
I didn't see your mama what she did to you either.
Oh, God. Lagay na ni Tami yung mga anik. Iwawash ko lang yung floor dyan kasi madumi. Dirty, there is a blood. Tapos na ako for now sa labas, guys. And ngayon, nakalimutan kong may update. Nag-update pala ako sa PS4 ko sa taas. Nakalimutan ko. Kaloka na to. Namatay, namatay. Tika muna, guys. Oh, ito na. Nag-okay na. Okay na siya. So, makapaglaro na ka. Ano yun? Ang uwak. Daghan nag-uwak. Uy. Ang daming ano. Hala, dami. Hala. Anyari doon? Ang daming uwak. What are they trying to... Ah, they're trying to get Liam. And there's a 20 or 10 hawk big thing. Liam is walking. And the hawk is closer. Liam just walking. I think they're trying to get Liam. It's like a lot of them crying. The hawk. That's why they become quiet now. When the dog bark, when the dog start barking, they stop. Liam just like walking like nothing. Seriously, it was scary.
Do me a favor.
What is the favor?
Get some bread, because the other day I wanted...
You have a rye bread.
Quiet, listen. The other day I wanted to make, before you woke up, I wanted to make French toast. You have French toast for breakfast? But you can't make French toast with rye bread like this. You just can't.
Hopefully I can find one over there for French toast.
Even if it's just white bread, I don't care. For French toast.
Okay, I'll get the French toast bread. Because that's where I find it anyway.
Challah bread, yeah, but if you don't get the challah bread, then just get white bread. It's fine.
Okay, so why you cannot do? You want French
French
toast?
toast is just skinny.
Yeah, I know.
You can't do it with rye bread. It doesn't come out right.
Will you only?
Today?
Where is the bread that Mom have over there?
I don't know, hon, but it's gonna be 8 months old. What do you freaking kidding?
8 months. It's probably 2 years now.
Yeah. So really?
Because you have that. That's still Mom's bread. I have to throw it out.
Yeah.
Okay, nag-defrost din ako ng ano guys, para lutuin ko. Mamayang gabi na para hindi na ako mabisi bukas. Kasi magluluto. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. So, there you go, the fish. I-defrost ko lang ito and then lutuin ko mamayang gabi. Yeah, look at that guys. He's still in pajama. Babalik din ako guys kasi paliguan ko itong mga aso. Pagbalik. Okay, bye. He's watching news, and while he's watching news, guys, he's smiling like he's in love with Trump.
I'm listening to what you're saying.
I love you.
Love you too.
Oh, you have to clean your face. Hoy, nako. Okay. Hey, the door is open, okay? Han, Dimples is wanting food now. Dimples want food. Ano natin itong upuan kasi hindi kasi. Hello guys, so let's go guys sa grocery. Hindi ko na tinawagan si Lloydie dahil mag-ano lang naman ako ng chicken. Plano ko sanang kami, sabay kami ni Lloydie mag-grocery, pero naisip ko, manok lang naman yung bibilhin ko at sayote. Si Tami nagpabili din ng itlog, kasi yung itlog niya 2. Hindi pwede nating deviled egg, 'di ba? Hindi ko alam kung gagawa ako ng deviled egg or what. Yun yung ano ni Bianan, tinuro niya sa akin. Yun yung dadalhin ko talaga na deviled egg, na si Bianan talaga yung nag-start. Si Bianan yung nagluluto ng deviled egg. Every time may gathering, ang dadalhin namin deviled egg, deviled egg, deviled egg. So, nang tumanda si Bianan, yung parang nawala na siyang lakas, tinulungan ko siya palagi. Tulungan ko kasi ang tagal guys matapos. Palagi ko siyang tinutulungan hanggang ako na yung easy lang naman gumawa, pero hindi ko talaga alam noon. So, tinuruan niya ako kung anong ilagay, paano, ganyan. So, yun. And, naging ano na siya, naging ako na yung taga-tingin na lang siya, at saka sasabihin niya, to respect her, kasi sa kanya yung ganyan, sa kanya ako natuto. Kahit alam ko na kung paano siya gawin, nung talagang naggrabe na siya, tinatanong ko pa rin siya na, tinatanong ko siya na, oh, what's next? Anong kasunod? How much yung yung mga seasoning, yun. So, tinatanong ko siya para involved pa rin siya ba sa ginagawa. So, hindi ko yun makakalimutan yung deviled egg na yan. Mga Christmas decor ang aga. May Christmas tree na din sila dito. Maganda ito, oh. It's nice and soft. Meron na silang mga, ang aga naman, di ba? Wala na ata silang cushion para summer. Wala na. Tighanapin natin. Kailangan kong bumili ng Christmas tree. Ganito, oh. Ito yung gusto ko. 7 feet. Wow, ang taas nito. Ito 6 feet. 7.5. Gusto ko yung puti talaga. Ito, oh. Gusto ko 150. Ito yung clearance nila. Wala. Oh, maganda to, oh. Clearance nila. Soft burgundy. Magkano to? I like this. Wala mang presyo. Gusto ko to. Walang presyo. Oh my God. Muntik na ako na-collapse doon sa cashier area. Nagbayad na ako, guys. Alam niyo yung nangyari. Nawalan ako ng malay. Konti. Sabi ko, ganun ako. Na-DC ako, nahihilo talaga ako, guys. Muntik na akong matumba. Hilong-hilo na ako, and yun. Hilong-hilo na ako, and buti na lang, sabi ko, bilisan ko punta sa sasakyan. Nahilo kasi sa gutom ito. Kasi 12:30 na, hindi pa ako kumakain ng lunch. So yun, wala pa akong lunch, and yun yung naluluka ako akong matumba doon na, ginoo ko. Nagutom na ko, plus pa ako, nahihilo ako sa mask. Kasi 'di ba, and then gutom pa, yun. Look, wala na akong lakas kahit mag-break. Kakain nga tayo ng candy, guys, kasi talaga ako, guys. Kumain ako ng isang itong bili ko na cinnamon roll. Binili ko para sa party. Sabi ko, kunan ko ng isa. Ginoo ko, mamamatay ako nito. Mag-drive pa ako, hilong-hilo. So, ginoo ko. So, paalis na tayo, guys. Doon pala sa Big Lots, guys. Maraming mga Christmas decor. Marami na silang magagandang decoration pang Christmas. Pero wala na silang cushion pang summer kasi tapos na pala yung summer, patapos na. Hello, guys. So, now, tapos na akong kumain. Nakarating ako dito, guys. Kumain agad ako dahil nagutom si ako. And yun, nagluto si Tami ng macaroni salad para bukas. Sabi ko 1 box lang kasi, konti lang kami. And yun, so ang nangyayari, nagluto siya. Pagdating ko dito, so nagbuil na lang ako ng egg para sa kanya kasi hindi siya marunong. Marunong man magbuil ng egg. Pero ang nakadiferensya yung si Tami kapag siya yung magbuil ng egg. Lagyan niya ng suka. nagmana sa ina. Kasi yun yung tinuro ng ina nila. Kapag magbubuwil ng egg, lagyan ng suka. Ang nangyari, mahirap buksan yung egg. Mahirap magpanit, kuha ng shell. Mahirapan ka kapag may suka. So, kumain agad ako pagdating dito. Kasi gutom na gutom talaga ako, guys. As in. And ngayon, pagkatapos nito, punta ako sa labas. Paliguan ko na naman yung aso. Buti na lang hindi maginaw. Talaga. Kasi few days before, mga ilang weeks, ang ginaw. Buti na lang bukas is hindi maginaw. Tapos na sila, guys. Tapos, iyan. May nakabalik wheel. Kinuklose ni Tami ito siya, guys. Pero, may baby na kinover ni Tami. Hopefully umalis. Tingnan nyo si Roxy. Roxy, are you done? That mouse cannot get in, right?
Depends. He's smart enough to dig into the tape and see through it.
And you said it's a baby?
He's a baby.
Nagpahinga ako kasi napagod. And then yung nagpahinga ako doon, ginawa ko, naglaro naman. Sabi ko maglaro tayo kasi malapit na matapos yung season ng laro. 12 hours na lang. Kaluka ito. Ito na siya, guys. Nilagay ko na yung iba kasi na-fry na siya, yung iba. So, yung iba binabrown ko lang siya para naman masaya kasi kapag hindi brown, hindi siya malusog. Hindi siya masaya. So, binabrown ko lang. Kinuha ko na yung mga ibang katulad nito, Look ito. Kasi masarap ito kainin, guys. Honestly, ito hindi pa din brown. So, gusto kong mag-brown yan. Yan. Kunin lang natin itong mga anek-anek, guys. Kasi masarap itong kainin. Itong mga nilalagay ko. Ang daming ginger. Masarap talaga, as in, guys. Hindi ko pinagyayabang. Pero masarap talaga ito siya. Lalot na itong mga napa-fry na garlic at saka ginger and onion. Ang sarap niyan. I think ito okay na to. Hindi ako sure. Oh, doon pala niya nilagay. Ito. Ilagay niya dito. Look. I told him to put the thing here. Okay, dito niya nilagay yung mga anek. Okay, dito yung speaker ilagay at saka dito. Diyan. So, okay na. Pahinga muna ako I think okay na yan. Doon ko ilagay yung tablecloth. Diyan. Ready na yung guys, yung karaoke sa labas at saka yung speaker lock. Itong si Tami may kausap sa telepono plus yung music ni John is malakas. Ano nang oras, hindi pa kami kumain, nagluluto pa siya doon, ang tagal. Iwan ko na lang, may music pa at saka 7 o'clock na, hindi pa kami kumain. Ayun pa, nasira yung refrigerator namin sa labas. Sa labas sa tawag nito, yung sa basement namin ngayon pa. Ay, hindi siya nasira, nag-ano lang yung So, nagloko na naman, guys, yung sa baba refrigerator. Parang ganyan na ata talaga. Your pajama, can you change pajama, Han? Yeah, but you've been crawling down there. You've been cleaning that thing. No, I know, but I will wash it tomorrow. I will wash it tomorrow. Anyway, so why you don't put my bread in that thing in the refrigerator? Why you? Huh?
My room?
Yeah. Is that safe over there?
Yes. I don't know. Is the basement gonna blow up with a hairdryer running all by itself?
Hala, you gonna leave it like that?
Yeah, I'll go down another night.
Jesus, Tommy. I will, you go to sleep and then I will wait. Anyway guys, good night. Matulog na kami. Ha? I'm gonna end the vlog guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Maaga pa kami bukas. Kaya yun. So, iyan ko na to. Thank you. Good night.
Rockabye, rockabye.